Last weekend, I decided to do some railfanning since it was National Train Day weekend and Mother's Day. So on that Saturday, I decided I would do some railfanning at multiple spots, two of which being on the BNSF overpass and one spot being my normal location at Memorial Park. But before we get to those trains, I'm going to show you some trains I saw on the highway from a carny trip that I had the day before with my mom. So we'll see those first. Way off there.
Right off Wood River.
So you're like, what is this guy filming? That's a shorty. Looks like a rail train. Nice. I haven't actually filmed one of those at all yet. $80.95. Yep, rail train. Nice. It's pretty cool.
Just sitting there, just scared.
Yeah. I know, I saw
That's
it
what
first
small
time.
towns do.
Hey man, you got an old police car and ain't got a good engine. Just set it there, man. Yeah, that's funny. This video isn't quality the best.
Oh, there's the.
This video isn't quality the best? What? I don't know. Train. Yes, I know. The quality's great. No, why are you turning? No! White! No!
It's not going very fast.
Yeah, it's got like 7 engines that I could catch. Oh, darn. Whatever. Smoking it up. Ooh, old car. Got like a glimpse of it. Ooh, there's an EMD. That Jevo is smoking. 5950, 9005.
Oh my gosh, I love how your boss just is to every text message. I was seeing how you were texting
Let's see, what is that? Nope, that's a no-no.
about. Oh, let me see my baby.
I took these on my snap and see what I say. He went outside last night for a very long time and made me chase him around, and he was panting very badly. I'm like, dude, you need to get inside.
You're my baby. You're my doogie. I know my mommy too.
She's into animal withdrawals.
She is. She missed her babies.
Now you know how I feel when it's 2 weeks and I haven't seen my cat. I'm like, man, I want to
Let's
snuggle
go
with him.
west.
Alright, now let's get to the National Train Day stuff. Starting off with my first train at a new location by the old Burlington Depot. This train being a BNSF weed sprayer with a generic C4 liter. Still cool to see a weed sprayer though. There they come. I hear them now. It's a play train. Nice. The next train I would get would be a BNSF coal train headed eastbound over the bridge, with two aces, one of which being a Thundercab trailing, and a special DPU. No, it's not a heritage unit, but it is something special. We got 92, 60, 93, 86. Gaining speed. Here. Oh, they're picking up a whole lot of speed. Hey, KCS. Got Kansas City Southern. Kansas City Southern DPU. Locomotive number is yeah, I can't tell. But anyway, KCS DPU. Pretty cool. The next catch would be a pair of UP light engines headed west out of the Grand Island Yard. One being a AC-44, the other being a AC-6000. Nice. We see a train leave the yard. Might be a light engine. Yeah. Alright. Probably fast forward for some of this. Oh yeah, just light engine. Nothing in tow. Nice, that's an AC-6000. Wonder where they're headed. Nice. The next train would be another tanker train, this time being an empty counterpart heading east with a solo GE leader and So I want to be home. Nice, an empty ethanol train. I saw a loaded one the other day going the opposite direction. Okay. Got a yellow on track 15. Nice. Oh, a train. Soon want an empty one. The next train, which came only a few minutes after that one, would be a westbound manifest with a nice repainted leader and SD70M trailing right behind it. Yeah. Nice. Lots of horn action. the other track, intermodal coming the other way. Alright. Well then, I'll see you guys for the next train, which should be here in just a few minutes. The next train would be a decently fast intermodal heading east, with 4 engines on the point, 2 of which being SD70Ms front to front. Oh, they're going decently quick. Nice. Z train. Almost Z train. Pretty fast. The final train of the day would be a westbound grain train with 3 GEs, 2x1. All 3 having different variations of the UP paint scheme, which I thought was pretty cool. Ooh, looks like a whole grainer. Whole grainer. Dusty one. no-brainer. Hope you guys enjoyed the sound of that DPU chugging away. Anyway, it's time to take this video to a close. With that being said, I will see you guys next time with some new content. Video games, perhaps. Anyway, see you guys later. Bye.